Most often, when the media talks about aviation jobs, they're talking about pilots. Maybe they'll mention cabin crew as well. However, aircraft mechanics and technicians are the other important team members ensuring aircraft can fly passengers to where they want to go. So what steps should someone take to build a successful career in the field? Well, let's explore this topic for today's video with a particular focus on the United States and Europe. To begin a career working in a hangar, you'll need to complete an entry-level course to familiarize yourself with the fundamentals of aircraft engineering, ground handling, and electric systems, as well as the basics of turbine engines, safety, and legislation. Then you'll need to gain practical experience in an aviation regulator-authorized MRO organization. In case you didn't know, MRO stands for Maintenance, Repair, and Overhaul. Working at an MRO allows trainees to perform some simple maintenance activities under the supervision of qualified personnel. This includes cleaning the aircraft and its parts, changing tires, replenishing oil and hydraulic fluid, or replacing non-structural cabin interior parts such as seats or carpets. Naturally, more complex tasks and repairs are performed only by licensed and highly experienced specialists. In Europe, a person aiming to perform maintenance activities on an EU-registered aircraft must first obtain a basic aircraft maintenance license, or AML, without an aircraft type rating. After gaining general maintenance knowledge and obtaining practical experience, the beginner may then choose a particular plane type to focus on. There are three main AML categories that determine professional aircraft mechanics' capability and also put some limitations on their work routine. An EASA Category A license holder is authorized to perform regular line maintenance activities, including fluid level checks, component lubricating and cleaning, or any other minor repair works performed during aircraft turnaround time. Category B1 allows for more complex maintenance work and requires more practical experience. This category is focused on airframe structure, engine, mechanical, and electrical systems. A B1 specialist is also allowed to certify a part of completed maintenance activities performed by less experienced staff. Meanwhile, a B2 license holder takes care of jet avionics, which consist of flight control systems such as autopilot, communication, and navigation. Finally, a Category C license is additional authorization for highly skilled and experienced aircraft mechanics. These license holders are authorized to conduct inspections and approve the Certificate to Release to Service, which determines that all work has been done in compliance with regulations. Over in the U.S., the Federal Aviation Administration, or FAA, has only two main categories. You can either be airframe and power plant mechanic, or A&P, or have an Inspection Authorization Mechanics license, or IA. A&P mechanics perform both line and base maintenance checks on a jet airframe structure and components, as well as its engine. IA mechanics, on the other hand, perform thorough inspections and sign off on airworthiness approvals before airplanes are returned to service. In the US, you need just 18 months worth of practical experience before being eligible to get an A&P license. The FAA provides an opportunity to become a universally licensed mechanic capable of working on various planes. This is different from EASA, which requires a candidate to collect at least 3 years of practice before they can obtain a non-type rated AML. Becoming an aviation mechanic can be rewarding work. Have you ever thought of getting into the field? Leave a comment and let us know. Aerotime is a global, multi-channel, digital, and professional hub, providing news, events, and advisory services to the aviation world. Be sure to subscribe to our newly relaunched YouTube channel and follow us on social media to get the latest aviation news.